Hi guys, welcome to Chickadee. Meditation is the key that helps us to remain calm and optimistic during this current situation of the world. To acknowledge that, let's do this cute drawing of Buddha, the one who got enlightened by meditating. So keep calm and let's begin.
Chickadee!
Start by drawing a wide U shape. A nice wide U. Then join both the ends with a curved line. This is the top of the head. From this point, I'm gonna draw the hairline. Just two arches meeting at the center. Perfect. Now let's do a little bun on the top. Now on either side, draw an ear shaped as peanut. Observe. 1 and 2 here. As we all know, Buddha had curly hair. So we're gonna redraw the hairline, the entire hairline in cloud line, like this. Including the bun. Now, two small eyebrows, slightly raised, and closed eyelids, a tiny nose, and a very slight smile. It's a very calm and content, peaceful expression. Let's move to the body. Start by shoulders on either side, two curvy lines extending downwards. Like this. Extend it even more. Now observe carefully how I'm doing the arm and a little hand, the thumb. It's really simple. And another hand below it. Now the lower body. Drawing the knees, Buddha here is in sitting position and wearing a robe. So just two curves and join them like this. Two little feet. The robe details on chest and arm. Finally, some pleats and folds on the robe. Here and here. One more. Lastly, let's do the lotus background. Pointy petals, 3 on each side and 1 at the bottom center. Time for outlines. Next, color all the skin with light brown and pink highlights. Orange robe, darkest brown hair, and pink lotus with some shading. Wow, he looks so divine. Hope you enjoyed doing this, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and stay calm, guys.